Hey, fill in the blank. Hey, all right. Yes, you got it. Fuckers. Hey, fuckers. You ready for day 5? Day 5. Congratulations. You made it to It's Just Fucking Meditation Challenge. 5 days of beginner meditation. This is the last day. Give yourself a pat on your ass. Fat ass, small ass, medium-sized ass, triple, quadruple, XL ass. Give yourself a pat on the ass. Great job. And sit the fuck down. Time to meditate or lie down. Close your eyes. Bring your attention and awareness to your breathing. Just notice your breath. Quit fucking overthinking it. Be the witness to your breathing. Notice your inhale and your exhale. And at any time, if your mind wanders, just bring it back to your breathing. That's it. So fucking easy. Awareness and attention to your breath. Now bring awareness and attention to your body. And just notice your body. Observe your body. And take a scan of your body all the way from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. All the way up and all the way down. Noticing your nipples, your nips. Noticing your ears. Noticing your nose. Noticing your whole asshole. Your whole asshole, just notice it. Observe your body. There you go. And now bring your awareness and attention to your thoughts. And just notice your thoughts, observe your thoughts. Notice your thoughts, observe your thoughts like you're watching your thoughts on a TV screen. And all you're doing is watching your thoughts. Be the witness to your thoughts. Just like you're watching a movie. Your thoughts roll the fuck in and roll the fuck out. Nothing to do or control with your thoughts. And now that TV screen, your thoughts get smaller and smaller. Smaller and smaller. So small now that you just can't see your thoughts anymore. Completely relaxing the mind. Turning the volume all the way down. Down and down. That's right. And as you're relaxing, as you're breathing, as your body's relaxing, say this affirmation to yourself. On the inhale, you'll say, I will remain. And on the exhale, calm and fucking steady. Inhale, I will remain. Exhale, calm and fucking steady. Yes. That's right. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, open the mouth, sigh all your fucks out. And there you go. Congratulations on this 5-day challenge. So day 1, we just found our spot. Go to your meditation spot. It could be a chair, bar stool. You can lie down. Just find your place that you can go to so your mind knows that you're going to go meditate. Find that place. That's day 1. Day 2, just pay attention to your fucking breath. It's so easy. Just observe your breath. Your mind wanders, observe your breath. Your mind wanders, observe your breath. All right? That was day 2. Day 3, just pay attention to your body, this body of yours. Pay attention to it. Notice it. Observe it. Notice your nips. Notice your nose. Notice that whole asshole. Just notice your body. You can laugh too. It's fine. Just notice your body. All right? And then day 4, we noticed our mind. We noticed our thoughts. Just pretend your thoughts are on a TV screen and you're just watching your thoughts. Nothing to do or control. You're just watching your thoughts on that TV screen. Because you're more powerful than your thoughts. These are just fucking thoughts on a TV screen. Watch it, eat some popcorn, or pretend you're eating popcorn like you're watching a movie. Watch your thoughts. Boom. And then, right now, day 5 is we just say an affirmation. You know, this affirmation is I will remain calm and fucking steady. That's a go-to affirmation. You can use that as your foundation. I will remain calm and fucking steady. That'll help your anxiety. That'll help your stress. Or find an affirmation for you. I am strong. I am courageous. I'm a badass mofo. Whatever you need. But your foundation can be I will remain calm and fucking steady. Congratulations, everybody. Fuckers. Boom.